Aloha everybody, welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 225 and you can find all of us at beachwalks.tv. Aloha! Happy thought now. We're like, ugh.
But you know, it's funny because when we went, you went to Thailand? Did you go to China?
No,
we went to China for this dragon boat race, and we were the last race to go down the Yangtze River where they're building the 7 gorges.
Oh, the big
Yes, yes.
dam.
And so it was like a 2.5-hour race down the Yangtze River, and this is the most beautiful place in the world. And as you're paddling, you're realizing that they're using the river as their garbage